Freamsters, yo! Let's go!
We're losing them. Eyelids are getting heavy. The drone of the truck is just too much. Let's go. What? Let's go what? I know you're too tired. I can see you're falling asleep on me. Yeah, you sleepy baby? Fighting it. He's fighting hard. I don't know if you're gonna make it. I think you're gonna fall asleep before we get home. We'll see. Here's our dude, Brody. We're waiting for him. Brody, yeah, let's wait for our guy. Are you excited to get the boy, Brody boy? He's down there waiting for us.
Yeah.
There he is. Hello, handsome. Happy to see your smiling face.
Happy to see your smiling face.
How's your world?
Good.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Right on. Put your seatbelt on for me.
Why red today?
What's the what? Oh yeah, just because there was a shortest line to get in.
Cool.
Yeah. There was a long line the other way and a short line this way. Hello. Say hi to Nav.
Hi, Mav.
Hi. Oh, Brody, I have so much to show and tell you.
What? No.
We got a swimming pool.
Oh, yeah.
And we inflated it.
Can I play with it when we get home?
And then we filled it up with play balls from like a, play pit.
Oh, no way.
We went about 300. It's not as many as you think. Like 300 is just barely covers the bottom, but at least the bottom's fully covered though. You know? And so it's not even full of water.
And that's why I brought a pencil.
Nice. Why did you bring a pencil?
So I can get home and as soon as I get home play with it.
A pencil? What does that have to do?
Do my homework.
Oh, in the car?
Yeah.
Nice, okay. You're awesome.
My bee dodging arm is feeling a little bit better.
Oh yeah?
It's still like, I think it's still sprained.
Oh yeah?
And it's starting to like spread and hurt in different places just from like.
From the impact?
Yeah, down
Have you
here.
told everybody about the story?
Oh yeah.
I bet.
I'm trying to tell as many people as I can.
That's so funny.
And at football practice I was fine, but after football I was like, oh my god, why did I go to football practice?
Sure, but I'm really
'Cause I
glad you were
played.
tough and did it. Yeah. Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
And we had a scrimmage,
No.
so I had to play.
Toughness.
So I was on defense and I had an interception.
No.
And I had a
Sprained wrist interception.
and it was almost pick six, and I had a great run down the field, almost touchdown.
Dude.
And I had a catch.
Awesome. Good job.
Sprained wrist.
Good with it. Good job. Maverick says, good job. Good job, brother.
Whoop, whoop.
You tell him, good job.
Whoop, whoop. Ah!
Gotcha.
Ooh, Mr. Giraffe, go! Go!
These dudes are having so much fun on this thing.
Oh, it worked! I got the monkey! Oh, wait, no. Plug it.
And this is what I'm working on, a new dishwasher for Babe. Trick to get me to empty the dishes, leave it full, and then find a new dishwasher for me to go get. So then I have to empty this one before I can put this one in. It's a dirty trick, Babe, dirty trick.
Tell me what you're doing.
Hooking up the dishwasher.
So, how's it going?
Great. Gotta hook up the drain line.
Drain line.
Hold it steady. And the water supply. And the power. And watch
Cool.
this. This thing's gonna fit like a glove. Are you ready for this?
Glove fit.
Can we
Dang.
lift it up a little bit? Get a little cokes in there. Up and in. Gonna go a little further once I pull these wires through some more.
Pretty good. You're doing great, Dad.
Throw her down. You know, give her a hug.
Make what word?
Up.
And it won't stop them coming.
You are a cowboy.
Can I have your binky?
You're in school.
No?
He's going
Get off on the drop off, bro.
You're the one who won.
I wanted to hear him say up better, guys. Up.
Learn what? What do you?
Look down.
Say up.
You're on the
Oh,
Oh, no.
Kill everyone.
no.
Step on the paw.
Get her. Aw. He said,
What?
on guard.
Say up.
He said it once.
He stood up.
Up.
Say it. Maverick, say it. Say up.
No. He said no.
Good job. How's it going in here with you, fine young gentlemen? What? You got some Mustangs?
One blinky car.
Cool, Mustangs.
He shot me out of the sky.
Oh, yeah?
Have to maintain control. Oh, please, car.
Oh, yeah, that is a cool Mustang. I like it. I like how you filled this one with all this cool stuff. Whoa, I like what you made here. A car inside of a car. A block on the top.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Oh, geez, the tire fell off, huh? Oh, the car. The tire fell off. Sorry, car. Guido status. There you go. Put it back on there for you.